Hi, I'm Ronald, and today is April 1. So you'd probably know by now that there wouldn't be any unboxing of sorts. But since this is an arts and craft channel, I will be creating a customized YouTube play button instead. So stick around if you would want to see the results. What I am using today is just a recycled construction paper and a black marker. As a challenge, I will be creating a doodle. Doodling is something I really am not good at. I mean, I can draw, but I would have to have that initial sketch. So on this challenge, I will be doodling without any guides whatsoever. I really have high respect to artists who can really doodle intuitively, like drawing without any hesitations, and it seems like they already know what to draw and where to position something and whatnot. It's something that I have yet to master, but while doing this challenge, I realized that this is such a good way to distress. You don't need to think too hard on what your art would look like. You just need to let yourself draw freely without thinking too much. If you commit mistakes, then you commit mistakes. It will become part of the final results. So enough of the talking, I will leave you with the rest of the time lapse. Hope you enjoy.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So feel free to follow me on my other social media accounts, and I guess that would be it for now. See you in my next video, and happy April Fools. Thanks. Bye.